Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your referral code in MEXC application. To share your MEXC referral code, first of all, launch open the MEXC application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. And from the options displayed on the screen, select Referral. Inside the Referral tab, you'll be able to see a three dot. Click on that and you see your referral code displayed in the page. Tap on Copy Referral Code option and you can share the referral code via any messaging platform or social media, or share it with anyone directly via SMS or via any messaging platforms or social media app. Just select the contact you want to share the referral code with, and once your contacts or friends use your referral code and complete their registration on MEXC, you'll get bonuses and rewards. So that is how you can easily share your referral code in MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.